Hi everybody, welcome back, and today we will learn lesson 74 and what did they do? Sağdaşlar kimsizlar? Endi bugun 74 ders günümüz. Biz bu 74 ders naq bizning 73 ders. Demek the way to King Street deganning davomi, ham shuningki mashq darsi. Andaqda bu darsimizga diqqat qilsanglar, what did they do? Ular nima ish qildi deydi. Okay, andaqda qaranglar. So, what did they do? Bular resimga qarab baxsanglar nima ish qilyapti? You know, the first one he shaved, second one ate cakes, third one blah 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 blah. Andaqda, you know, he got up very late this morning. Okay, he got up very late this morning. U bugun qanaqqa intayin keyin atdiganda o'rindan turibdi. You know, he shaved hurriedly and cut himself badly. Okay? Or aldırap saldıraplam. Hurriedly deganimiz nayt, aldırap saldırap degan gap. Aldırap saldıraplam saqilini oldi hamda qanaqa qilibdi? Cut himself badly. O'zini ig'ir qanaqa qilibdi, kesibdi. Demak, badly ig'ir holda. Hurriedly degancha alman talman. Aldıraplam, ishtiklam degan gap bo'ldi. You know, they are thirsty, right? Ular qanaqa ketibdi? Aytdi, usab ketibdi. So, they drank their water thirstily. Ular suyini aytdi, qanday aytdi, chanqigan holda qanaqa ketibdi, ichibdi. You know, they drank their water thirstily. You know, thirstily. You know, he was very hungry. O'yindan qanaqa ketgan edi? Qusdi ichib ketgan edi. So, you know, he took a cake and ate it quickly. And the tortini eliplam qanaqa qildi? Nayt, tizlam, ishtiklam qanaqa qildi? Yeydi. He took a cake and ate it quickly. Ate it quickly. And I met her in the street and she greeted me warmly. Men uning bilan qanday shu ko'chada kurashib qoldim. And she greeted me warmly. And greet somebody degan salom qilmoq. Qilib, tushunami? She greeted me warmly. O men bilan qanday qizg'in, illiq salomlashdi, salom qildi. What about him? You know, they worked very hard this morning. Ular bugun atdiganni aytdi. Tirishib pishildi. They worked very hard, very hard. And what about this? You know, the bus went slowly yesterday and we arrived home very late. Bu avtobusni aytdi, asta mangdi. And the biz qanday uyga keyin yetib bordi. We arrived home very late. Okay? You know, they swam very well this afternoon. Okay, ular aytdi bugun tushdan keyin suvni yaxshi yuzdi. Swimning keyin shakli o'tgan zaman shakli. Andaq qaranglar. Look and think data. You know, the bus is slow. It goes slowly. And then you might say, bu avtobusbek asta and o asta mangde. Shunami? Demak, endi mi goes degan peel, slowly degan nima desan, ravish. Demak, endi ravish deganimiz mushu peellarni, sifatlarni, hatto ravishlarni qanday desan, aniqlab keladi. Demakchi, ularningki yuz berish sababi, o'rni, holati, darajasi yuz berish onundikin har xil usullarni nima deydi salama asta oldi olti shunami asta oldi qanday qildi amangda. You know, Jem is a quick learner. She learns quickly. Demakchi intayin tizundigan odam demakchi shunami Jem. He learns quickly. O intayin tizlam qanday qildi o'rganadi. Birisi peel, yana birisi nima desanlar ravish. And Kathy is thirsty. She drinks thirstily. Kathy bek stop ketma thirsty degan sifat, thirsty deganimiz nima desanlar? Ustigan alda. Demak, endi shu sifatlarning keyiniga ly qatqanda oxiri y bilan oxirlashib qolsa, hamda y ning oldi uzuk tovush bo'lsa, buni qanday qilmaysiz desanlar? Y ni ayga ajizlashtirib ly qatamiz. Qag'ildirib qanday desanlar, ly ni bevosita qatiyversak qanday bo'ladi. Okay. And Sam is a careful driver. He drives carefully. Demak, u qanaqadan aytdi. drives deganimiz nima desanlar? Drives deganimiz nima? Ey demak, shunaqa u ehtiyotchanlik bilan qanday qildi ekan? Aylaydi ekan. Okay. You know, they are hard workers. They work very hard. Ular nima desanlar? Nayati qanday tirishchanlar. Ular qanday ishlaydi? Nayati tirishibishlar. They work very hard. Yani hard deganimiz nima desanlar? Rubbish. You know, Jack is a good swimmer and she swims very well. Okay, and the swim deganimiz nima desanlar? Peel. Well deganimiz nayati oltin qildi, nayati yaxshi holatda qanday qildi? Mana da. You know, he gave me a wrong greeting. He greeted me warmly. You know, warm greeting, sorry. O bana nayati qizg'in qanday qildi? Salom qildi. O men bilan qizg'in qanday qildi? Salomlashdi. Mishariki warmly deganimiz nima desanlar? Rubbish. So qaranglar, what did they do yesterday and how did they do it yesterday? What did they do yesterday and how did they do it yesterday? Hamda bu ular tunigan nima ish qildi? Deydi. Qarasanglar, what and how? You know, they walk slowly, right? And bu nima? They walked slowly. You know, they put up their hands quickly. Qo'lni tizlam qana qilib tushirdi. You know, they dance well. Sam drives carefully. Okay. What about bands? Like bands, you know, shaved hurriedly. Amsa manga aytib shaved hurriedly. And ma piyilni o'tgan zaman shakllanadi bizlar savoqlashlar. Ondan keyingisi John. What about John? John greeted me warmly. Naytdi liqali qanday qildi? Salomlashdi. What about Nick? You know, Nick worked very hard. Yeah, worked hard. What about they? You know, they enjoyed themselves very much. Okay, and the practice he cut himself badly. He shaved hurriedly. He drank water thirsty. Okay. He took a cake and ate it quickly, right? I met her in the street and she greeted me, okay, warmly. The bus went slowly. They went slowly. You know, choose the best answer. You know, Mrs. Jones works. Okay, Mrs. Jones works. The name is very good, very hard, very slow. Okay, very so hard. Okay, I'm sharing hard. Hard again. Rubbish. And I always listen to the teacher in the classroom. Okay, listen to the teacher carefully. Careful, warm, quick. Okay, carefully. It's never clever of you to do that. It's very clever of you to do that. Excuse me, where is the Xinhua bookshop? Just 200 meters away. You can find it. A, easy. B, hard. C, easily. D, hardly. Okay, you can find it easily. Bo'lsa arkadaşlar, bugungi mana mesh darsimiz o'tugapti. Endi sizlar shu 74 darsning ayg'irlik mashqlarini tafsiliy bir ko'ngil qo'yib ishlasanglar, ishlamay kash ulgu misolga asosan birinchi A'ni ishlab bo'ldik, endi B'ni ulgu misolga asosan ishlasanglar, intayin asonlam ishlab bo'la olasizlar. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.